Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your audio delay on your CHiQ TV. So to do this, you're gonna press the home button on your Pilot. It's right here, the button with the home house drawn on it. So let's press that, and in the top right corner of our screen we can see the code. So we're gonna navigate there and just open it. And from here go to your audio delay. And from here you can change the speaker or SPDIF delay to whatever you actually need, and you can actually experiment it however you want. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.